Hello students, today we are going to learn about domain and range of a function. In our previous video we talked about domain, and for this we are taking one of the example. Define the domain and range of a function. Find the domain and range of a function fx is equal to minus x square plus 4x minus 3. This is a quadratic function. We are going to find the domain and range of quadratic function. First of all, let us define the domain and range of a function. Let f be a function from set A to B, so that the function is defined as y is equal to fx. That means x belongs to set A and this y is equal to fx belongs to set B. Then the domain of f is the set of all allowable inputs x values. That is, domain of f is equal to x such that x belongs to A. That means which we input to define a function, such x gives the domain. Similarly, the range of f is the set of all output, that means y values. That is, range of f is equal to y such that y belongs to this set B. This x is from set A and y is from set B. Now what type of x and what type of y we take, that depends on a function. You have to remember that the two illegal conditions should not be followed while defining the domain. Similarly, the domain of a function implies the range of that function. Okay, now we are going to talk about the domain and range of this quadratic function. Here, if you input any real value, you will get the output. Therefore, the domain of this function will be defined as x, such that fx is defined as real values. That means all real numbers. Whatever you put here, you can define this function. There will be no illegal condition. Therefore, domain will be all real numbers. Now, what to do for the range? Range is what? Y, such that all real output of y. Now, all real numbers give what type of output here, that we have to observe. Therefore, we have written here question mark. Now let's define this. First of all, you write the given function y is equal to this. Now you make this a perfect square. Look here, you take minus common, then it will be x square minus 4x plus 3. Now let us make a perfect square. X square minus 2ab plus b square, that is 4 minus 4. Now this will be x minus 2 whole square, minus is here, plus 4 minus 3, that is minus x minus 2 whole square plus 1. This is in the form of y is equal to a x minus h whole square plus k, which is the standard form of quadratic function. And here we observe the value of a is negative, that is less than 0, and h is 2 and k is 1. Now in this case, what will be the range? Let us find out. What is the range? Since a is less than 0, the parabola opens downward, and the range of this function will be what? Will be y is less than or equal to k, that is y is less than or equal to 1, since the value of k is 1. Now let's observe through our GeoGebra. Here let's define minus x square plus 2x minus 3. Now you can see here, look here, this is the origin, and here the value of y is, this is the y is equal to 1, this is the line y is equal to 1. Therefore all y are below this 1. Therefore the range of this function will be